want to understand what is current, then first you have to understand the modern electron theory of matter. Any matter, whether solid, liquid or gas, is composed of very small particles called molecules. A molecule is in turn made up of atoms. An atom consists of a central part called nucleus, and around the nucleus there are a number of electrons revolving in different paths or orbits. The size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atom. The nucleus contains proton and neutron. The proton is a positively charged particle, but the neutron has no charge. Clearly, the nucleus of an atom bears a positive charge. Now we know that electrons move around the nucleus of an atom in different orbits. The electrons in the last orbit are called valence electrons. In certain substances, especially metals, copper or aluminum, the valence electrons are so weakly attached to their nuclei that they can be easily removed. Such electrons are called free electrons. It may be noted here that all valence electrons in a metal are not free electrons. It has been found that one atom of metal can provide at the most one free electron. Since a piece of metal has billions of atoms, one can expect a very large number of free electrons in metal. For example, 1 cm cube of copper has about 8.5 into 10 to the power 22 free electrons at room temperature. The flow of free electrons in a defined direction is called electrical current. The flow of electrical current is shown in figure. The copper strip has a large number of free electrons. When electrical pressure or voltage is applied, then free electrons, being negatively charged, start moving towards the positive terminal around the circuit. This direction flow of electrons is called electric current. But conventionally, the direction of electric current is taken along the direction of motion of positive charges. When current is caused by electrons, the direction of current is positive to the direction of electron flow. Please note that the electric current and conventional current are two different things. Electrical engineers use the conventional current for their work. If you don't understand what I am saying, please pause the video and carefully observe the image. The current is measured by the flow of charge in unit time through the conductor. If Q is the charge flowing through any cross section of conductor in time t, then electrical current, that is denoted by capital I, is equal to Q by T. The SI unit of electrical current is ampere. If the charge 1 coulomb and time is 1 second, then capital I is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second is equal to 1 ampere. 1 ampere of current is said to flow through a wire if at any cross section 1 coulomb of charge flowing in 1 second. Please note that if we measure the current in any circuit, we connect a ammeter in series with the load. I hope you understand what is current.